1, 0. Sky condition clear. Temperature 1, 2 Celsius.
I love these.
Dew point 0, 7
So cool.
Celsius. Altimeter 3, 0, 1, 4.
It's like old pickups, you know.
Kelso
Yeah.
Longview Airport. Automated weather observation 1, 6, 0, 0 Zulu. Wind 3, 2, 0 at 0, 8. Visibility 1, 0. Sky condition clear. Temperature 1, 2
Traffic experimental 55 Alpha Victor. 5 miles out on the RNAV 15 will break off left 10 and a left down 1.
All right, runway's clear. Funnel's clear. We are clear. So I kind of do a half, kind of like a half power, just to check everything.
Yeah.
Before I.
Like 2,000 RPM and then go.
Before I launch it, yeah. So one thing I don't like about this throttle control is it's not a push-pull.
Yeah, it's
just
a veneer.
And you gotta, you know, unless you push the button in, you gotta do the whole thing. All right, so a little crosswind correction.
My Papa is turning right 45.
All right, oil temp, pressure looks good. Fuel flow is good. CHTs are good. Release the brakes. And away we go. Airspeed's alive. 50. 55, she's getting light. Tap the brakes. Positive rate. Looking for 92 miles an hour.
It's closer in.
Okay.
So.
All right, at the white arc, 20 degrees in.
Yeah, it's not this taxiway with the amphib, it's the next one past him.
Copy. Oh, this is so cool.
Now remember, it is a very wide runway, so
Yeah.
you may be tricked into flaring a little too soon, but I think you're okay. Nice.
I'll take it.
Cardinal 602, turn right Alpha 9er, and you'll see the run-up box. Once you make that turn, you'll see it just off to your left. You can pull into Alpha 9 run-up box, this frequency.
Okay, right here at Alpha 9 into the run-up box, remain on this freak, 602.
Instruments all look good. Airspeed's alive. 40. 50. And she's light. Tap the brakes. Pitching for 92. Look at all those maxes.
Yep. And then pretty soon, 777-900s.
Yeah. All right, we're a positive rate. Flaps are coming up. Line runway heading.
Past the shoreline, you can come up to 2,500.
The Bravo layers at 3?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, that's not that bad. That's pretty well defined.
Yeah, it's the other ones I think everybody's all upset about, because this one's it hasn't changed.
It's pretty much the same.
It's the same, right? I think it's the other ones that are all weird that people are like, what am I looking at?
There's like a Green Lake departure or something.
Yeah.
You gotta do like one of these.
It's beautiful in here though.
Heck yeah. All right, where should we go next?
It's up to you. It's only 10 o'clock.
Do we do a touch and go at Bremerton?
Sure.
I'm good to go 2-5.
Yeah, and you're good to go direct.
November 12 uniform traffic over Seward Park northbound, helicopter 1100 indicated.
Okay, what is it? PWT. And yeah, that runway on the north end of the island. My God,
Upolu, did you land there?
Yep.
That is just insane. It was like, it had to have been at least 35, 40 knots.
Yeah, and they got wind turbines and stuff there too. It's like, oh
jeez.
jeez.
Totally nuts. All right, cool. So
I guess I didn't save Hawaii for off cell service use.
One 713 Zulu. Wind 360 at 10. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear.
Which runway was he
Temperature
using?
15 Celsius. Dew point 08 Celsius. Altimeter
like they're using
3017.
yeah.
So right down for runway 2 entry.
Bremerton National Airport. Automated weather observation 1714 Zulu. Wind 010 at 09er. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 15 Celsius. Dew point 08 Celsius.
Huh.
Altimeter 30.
Yeah, tense there.
Yep, it's just automatic.
Yeah.
Bremerton traffic, Icon 324 Mike November, clear of the runway at Alpha 5, Bremerton.
Like, come on, girl. Stop flying.
I know, they just keep wanting to fly. And I came up.